Dear student, today we will discuss about electric field at a potential point of an electric dipole. Now, as per this diagram, there is a negative charge Q and positive charge Q separated by a distance 2a, and a point O is in the midpoint of the electric dipole. This is O. This distance of O from A is a charge Q minus Q is A, and from point B of positive charge Q is A. Now we will discuss and calculate the electric field at a point P, which is at normal, which is at the perpendicular distance from O at point B, that is R. Suppose distance of this P point is R. At point P, we will calculate electric field intensity due to the two charges plus Q and negative Q. Here, as per diagram, this distance is R, this distance is R, A, and this angle is theta. Then this is a right angle triangle, and distance of point P from charge positive Q will be equal to, this will be hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, and it will be calculated as R square plus A square, perpendicular square plus base square, whole root will give the distance of PB or BP. At point P, consider a unit place charge and positive charge. That unit charge is positive charge, and since this is positive charge Q and this is unit positive charge, then at this point this positive charge will feel a force of repulsion. Hence, an electric field work at point P in the direction BP. This will go outward, and suppose that electric field due to this charge is E positive Q, and this is negative charge, and it is negative and this is positive, and it will attract this unit positive charge and test charge. Hence the electric field at P due to negative charge will be in this direction along PA, and it may be denoted as E minus Q. Now we will resolve this vector in perpendicular and horizontal direction. This E plus Q इस चार्ज का जो वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होगा वो होगा E plus Q चार्ज, E plus Q electric field into sin theta, and vertical component of this will work downward, and this will be equal of this magnitude of this component will be equal to this. This will equal E minus Q sin theta. These will cancel each other. Means its total net effect is zero. Vertical component will cancel each other. Now, horizontal component of E plus Q will be equal to EQ cos theta, and similarly horizontal component of E minus Q will equal to E cos theta, and this is 2 times EQ plus EQ, that EQ cos theta plus equal to EQ cos theta, and this direction of this resultant vector, horizontal vector, is opposite to the dipole moment. Dipole moment is working from negative Q to positive Q. Direction of dipole moment is in the direction A, and it is opposite to dipole moment. Hence, it will be taken as negative. Now, Now total effective heat due to dipole at P will be E equatorial is equal to negative 2 times EQ cos theta, but E positive Q is equal to E negative Q is equal to EQ, that is K Q divided by this distance R square plus A square whole square, that will give KQ upon R square A square, or it will be represented as vector, then this will be represented as P curve. This is unit vector along this direction. Now E equatorial will be equal to negative 2 KQ upon R square plus A square into cos theta, and this will be given as, in the vector form, this will be given as multiplied by P curve, and as cos theta is equal to in triangle OPB, cos theta is equal to this angle is equal to A divided by base upon hypotenuse, that is A divided by R square plus A square whole to the power 1 by 2. Now on putting value of cos theta in equation 1, we get E equatorial will be equal to minus 2 K Q into A upon R square plus A square into R square plus A square whole power 1 by 2. That will be equal to negative K 2 Q A divided by R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. This will be equal to K into Q into 2A divided by R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2 P curve. This will be given as K P divided by R square plus A square whole 3 by 2 P curve. Here P is dipole moment. P this is a dipole moment and it is magnitude of the dipole moment. And this will be written as Kp upon R square whole square 3/2 when as this distance A or 2A is very less than with respect to R. When R is very greater than A, then A can be neglected and this will be this equatorial. This will be equal to Kp upon R to the power q d dash. Negative. All are negative. This gives negative. Negative means direction of resultant or effective electric field at P due to these two charges or due to dipole each in opposite direction of dipole moment. Direction of dipole moment is in this direction. And it gives value of the resultant electric field at P, and that is Kp. P is here magnitude of the dipole moment of the dipole, and P is unit vector in the direction of the dipole moment, and R is the distance, perpendicular distance from O to point P. And this can also be written as value of K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R cube P hat. This gives resultant this gives resultant electric field at point P, which is situated at equatorial point at a distance of r dipole. As we see here that resultant electric field is working in opposite direction to direction of the dipole moment, and its value E is inversely proportional to R cube. Means it varies as third power of distance, and it is inverse of third power distance. It varies. Means it rapidly decreases as we go away from the dipole. Center of the dipole, it rapidly changes. Thanks, student. We will discuss next in next video. Thank you. Okay.